Is it possible? Is it possible where God will do something for you and not be with you? It's possible. The Bible at times tells that God is jealous. He's a jealous God. Have you ever come across that word? What does it actually mean when God says He's jealous? I was very upset with Esther, I think last week, because I've always told her that every time when she takes her books, to study, she should pray. A simple instruction I gave her. You should pray before you take your textbooks to study. Okay? So every time when I see her with her books, I'll go and ask her, have you prayed, Esther? And apparently the answer is no. And then I'll tell her, pray and then start. I've told her once, I've told her twice, I've told her thrice. Every time this happens. So last week I saw her with her books. I asked her, did you study? Did you pray? She said no. Then I told her something. I said, from today, I'm not going to give you any spiritual advice. Okay, I will do everything for you. Because I'm seeing that you're not willing to just listen to one advice that I've given you. Just one advice. I've told you every time when you read, you study, I want you to pray. So you're not willing to obey that simple advice. From today, I'm going to stop giving you any spiritual advice. Okay? I'll do everything for you. But I will not give you any more spiritual advice. Is that okay? I said. She was a bit taken aback. She said, no. So what do you want me to do? No, I will pray. So do you want me to give spiritual advices? He said, yes. Would you follow? She said, yes. What kind of a nature is that? But a father tells his daughter, I would not give you any spiritual advice anymore, but I will do whatever you want me to do. I will still be your father. Take care of all your needs. What kind of a nature is that? I'm being sensitive. That's how a jealous father would react. I wouldn't enforce things on people, but I want to make sure that when I say something, I expect her to listen, right? God is being very sensitive here. He said, if you don't value my advice, if you don't value my instruction, if you don't value me being there in your life, what do you want? You want to go to the promised land? You want me to keep my word? You want me to keep all that I've spoken to you? You want to go and enjoy the land flowing with? Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm not coming with you. So Moses all of a sudden begins to realize that. All of a sudden, God is withdrawing Himself. Sometimes we don't realize our relationship with God is affected. We don't realize that God is so jealous. He is very sensitive. He might give us what we want, but He might withdraw His presence from our lives.